decided today that we are going to be getting on some of these winter trout. As you guys can see behind me, half the creek is frozen. This is basically going to be like, as you guys can see, it's snowing all around me. This is probably going to be like the first trout fishing video in the snow that I've done. This is going to be pretty cool. I'm going to be trout jigging in the snow. So this is going to be pretty awesome. As you guys can see, we got a nice little pool back there. But I got the chest cam on. We're actually going to put that on. What I got for bait here is a simple yet, sorry about that, I kind of tipped the camera. A simple yet very effective little trout jigging tube right there. It's a little crappie grub with like a 1/8 ounce jig head right there. So we're gonna have, I got 6 pound test. This is gonna be pretty awesome. Let's go catch some fish. Woo! Hopefully I don't slip and fall, guys. The rocks don't seem very slippery, but you never know what'll happen here. So, alright, first cast. I'm just gonna drop it straight down right here. And we're just gonna see if we can't figure anything to bite. Very tough fishing conditions, guys. If I can't get it down there. Oh, that's a good one. Gotta let the bait sink. Well, guys, no bites. I've been fishing here for about 10-ish minutes. No bites. So we're gonna move on to where I caught my brown for my brown trout catch and cook. We're gonna move up to that spot and see if we can't catch any of these on these mini jigs. I feel like that spot might be a little more promising. All right, guys. I even switched up to the new spot. Nothing yet. I think it's a little too cold for the jig, so we're gonna try something a little more finesse here. Alright guys, so what I did was I just switched up to a custom Bass Kicker Classic spinner, and we're about to see if it actually works. Oh, it works. I can see it spinning already. That's so cool. My custom spinner works, you guys. My custom spinner works. This is my first time ever testing the Bass Kicker Classic, and I'm so happy to see that it actually works. It works super well too. You could even slow roll this bait and it'll still spin. It's so cool. Gosh, I wish you guys could see the action on this bait for reals. It's like the coolest bait ever. My personal first time ever trying the Bass Kicker Classic anyway, even though I designed it. So the Classic works. The BKF Classic works. I just can't stop saying it because it's amazing, you guys. This spot is so good too. I'm just surprised I have not hooked up or anything yet on the BKF. I'm gonna let it sink a little bit and then try to reel. I can just feel the vibration of this thing too. So this thing gives off a lot of vibration. There's other Bass Kicker lures in here I want to try too. I got the Bass Kicker Spin Flash, the Big Water. There's a lot of good stuff in here. These are not for sale as of yet. I'm still working on them. Alright guys, switched up to the square bill. Fishing the square bill down deep. And I'm actually going to try out an experiment. Are there any bass left out in my creek? That's my goal for today. So that's what I'm trying out right now with my square bill crankbait. I'm throwing the KVD 1.5 on my bait casting rod right here. I'm just seeing if there's anything left for bass left in my creek. Because I know they can't resist a meal like this. A 1.5 going right in front of their face. Oh God, I got it snagged. Come on. Yes, I got it out. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Always got to get your baits out, guys. Alright guys, nothing on the square bill. I've been fishing it for about an hour. And I have an 8-pound leader on this thing, so if I lose my square bill, so that way if I get snagged, the square bill hopefully won't break off. And I'm fishing with this, I switched up from the KVD 1.5 to the Storm Arashi in Tennessee Shad. You gotta love fishing the square bill crankbait, you guys. Beautiful erratic action. I was just an experiment to see if there were any bass down here, but I'm pretty sure there isn't. Making sure nothing. What if a trout came up and bit this square bill, you guys? Just imagine that. So imagine if a trout came up and bit my square bill. Wouldn't that be a catch of a lifetime? Nice action on this bait though, I love it. It's got some rattles in it. This would be a really good bait at my reservoir. Oh God, you guys, I have a freaking fish. Did it? Oh, no! 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 Oh, the freaking squirrel! Oh my God! On the square bill! Oh my God, my bait's almost out. On the square bill, I just had a freaking hit. On the freaking square bill. I just tried to set the hook. I had him on for like, what, 2 seconds was that? That was awesome. That was freaking awesome. Here's a replay of that. Watch this replay. You guys, that was freaking awesome. I can't believe that. I had a freaking fish on the square bill. On the square bill of all freaking things. I had a fish on. Now it's snowing everywhere. So now I'm really fishing in the snow. Ooh. Was that the weeds or what? Yeah, it was the weeds. But I swear you guys, I had a fish on. Oh gosh, I just slammed that bank. That was the best feeling I've had in a long time with a square bill. I've caught some fish with a square bill. I've never caught a fish. That looked like a trout too.
Bass Kicker Fishing is brought to you in part by video editing for everyone. LG, life's good. Rapala, take a fish boatin'. Time Spirit, time lapse your way. And finally, YouTube Studio, edit the studio way.